This is my drawing of Blaze the cat, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson all the way down towards the bottom of the page with the muzzle. We're going to start with the top edge starting on the left. I'm going to bend this up and then curve that down. Let's round this out and bend this up towards the outside of the cheeks. Now I'm going to curve the cheek, coming around and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back to the left side, curve the chin, coming down. I'm going to go across and then bend that up. Let's go to the top center of the muzzle, draw a small oval for the nose. Add a smaller oval on the top center for the highlight. And I'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now I want to shift the mouth over towards the right. So we're going to start down here on the left side, coming down. And we'll bend this up higher on the right. And we'll add a bracket. Now I want to place the eyes on top of the muzzle, leaving a gap in the center, and start over on the left. Bend this up, and then out. Let's move over towards the right side, do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now let's draw the side of the eye, coming down, and then bend that in on top of the cheeks. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside, so on the left we're going to draw an oval, coming all the way down, and then we'll bend that up, and then we'll just line that up on the right side. Let's add a smaller oval in the center for the pupil. And then along the top of the pupil, add a smaller oval for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to add some thick lashes on top of the eyes. Let's start from the inside on the left. Just going to taper this so it gets wider as you come out towards that point. Now it's curled lash going up towards the tip. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Going all the way around, and we're just going to curl that up. Let's add a point, taper this in. Let's add another lash. Coming down and then up. Let's add that point, pulling this in towards the side of the eye. Now I just want to curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's fill the eyelashes in black. Let's go to the center of the forehead and draw another oval for that gem, starting from the very top. Come down, and then back up. And then along the top center, add a circle for a highlight. Now we're going to go to the side of the cheeks and draw in that fur. Let's start from the left side, bend this out, and then curve that up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going out, and then bend that up. Now there's 2 points on the end. So we're going to bend this down and in with a short line, go out and then up. Now let's curve this in towards the base of the ear. Come in and then up to right about there. Let's add those 2 large ears. Starting on the left, bend this out and go up towards the top. Now we're going to curve this in and then down on top of the head. Let's close off the center with a curve going up and then down. Now we're going to add that band. Starting back on the left, go up in the middle, across, and then back down. Now we're going to add those patches inside the ear. So on the left side, we're going to step in, just going to trace the ear, going up toward the point, coming down on the inside, and it'll curve the bottom. Now along the top of the head, we're going to layer those 4 spikes in behind that band. So let's start on the left side. Start with the first one, going up and out, in behind the ear. Continue on the outside, going out and then down. Now I'm going to add those 2 points. Coming in, and back out. Round out the bottom, coming back in behind the ear. Now I want to stack 3 more going up and over towards the right side. So we're going to move over towards the center, going up, go all the way out towards the end. Let's add those 2 points. Coming down and out. Curves back in behind the ear. Let's add another one. Stepping over, going up, around, and then out. Add those 2 points, and we'll tuck that in. Let's go back and add one more. Starting from the base, going all the way around, out, and then up. And then we'll add those 2 points. Now we want to add that trim on the tip of these 3 spikes. Let's start from the end. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Let's repeat that across the last 2. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Blaze the Cat from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.